Riona Magnayon, Black and White, Philippines!
Philippines!
Philippines is the former martial artist who earned her black belt at 12 years old. Now 24, this fashion model and singer has raised funds for various charities. Philippines proudly raised funds to purchase and renovate an old apartment building in Manila. This 24-year-old turned the building into the Young Focus Child Care Plus Center.
I'm sorry, okay, get ready. Here is the question. What is the most important lesson you've learned in your life, and how would you apply it to your time as Miss Universe?
I work a lot in the slums of Tondo, Manila, and the life there is it's poor and it's very sad. And I've always taught myself to look for the beauty in it, to look in the beauty in the faces of the children, and to be grateful. And I would bring this aspect as a Miss Universe to see.
Philippines! This national costume is called Celebrate, Fight, Enrich, because it represents the three major groups of islands in the Philippines. The brass headpiece and customized footwear are embroidered with different indigenous textile patterns.
Iniligtas ng taong bayan sa gabing ito ay si
Philippines!
Thank you.
Congratulations, you are safe tonight. Ang susunod na pangalan na iniligtas ng taong bayan sa gabing ito ay si
Babush, sulit na.
May isa pang pangalan na mananatili pa rin ngayong gabi sa bahay ni Kenya. At yan ay si
Venezuela!
Sino kaya ang papakinggan ng taong bayan? Sino kaya ang papakinggan ng taong bayan? Ipapaalam ko na sa inyo ang resulta ng botohan.
Kuya, hindi ko po kasi talaga alam kung bakit ako nandito. Dumadaldal lang po talaga ako. I'm giving myself to 홍초이라 제리리 콩포이나 아버지 케이크 고치장 salamat. Kuya, mga vak lang po. Magtigil po sila. Bibigyan ko po sila ng automatic nomination. Charot, but not charot. Nako, kuya, talaga naman. Bakit kasalanan ko? Parang kasalanan ko. Eh, sa totoo nga, 2 points dahil sa damit, 2 points dahil sa pagkain, at 2 points dahil, gusto ko lang yun.